In this guide, we're going to be going over how you can change your account location here on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first, what you're going to want to do is actually go into your settings, and you can do this on any platform. I'm currently on the web app, but you can use this on the main app or the mobile app as well. But go up into your settings in the top right corner, select settings, and once you are in here, go ahead and find the account info tab and select it. Now, once you are in the account info tab, scroll down and you're going to see an option for account location. And as you can see, mine is right here. Now, Roblox automatically updates this location based on wherever you sign in from. So after a few sessions in a new place, your location should update on its own. If your location is incorrect or suddenly changed, it's usually because you're signed in using a VPN or someone else accessed your account in another location. If that does happen, make sure your email and phone number are correct up at the very top. And then from here, I would recommend changing your password pretty much immediately and enabling two-step verification. If your location still doesn't update automatically, go to the Roblox website and once again, select that gear icon. And instead, you're going to want to go to Help and Safety on here to open up the Help Center. And in here, what you're going to want to do is search for account location, just like so, and hit enter. And once it does take you to a page that looks like this, look specifically for the contact support option. You may have to scroll all the way down to the very bottom and go to the last page to see this. But essentially, just go ahead and put in a support ticket. But yeah, Roblox will usually email you back within a few days to fix it. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.